initially start with, like fashion is all about majorly creating a fashion figure. So you can clearly see I am creating a fashion figure out here for you. And we completed one fashion figure quickly. So this is illustration, which means bringing your ideas from your mind to paper. So to start with, we have few topics to cover. First topic to get started with is lines and shapes. Okay, the first topic is ovals. That's the very important among few lines and shapes. As you've seen, we have created a figure earlier. So the first thing which we've drawn was the face, then the neck. So to create this oval, we need few tricks. The first trick is keep your pencil on the side, prepare the oval, keep and create an oval. Trick is about, like, if we start from the side, broaden up from the above and finish the oval from where we have started it, gives you a perfect blend oval. That is oval. If you try to put the point, a mark on the center, and you try to put it like this and finish it where you started, this will give you a pointed oval, which is not a perfect shape. This is a perfect shape. So it's better, if you want to create an oval, begin from the side, stretch it up, broaden it up, bring it down and finish it where you started it from. To check whether your oval is right and appropriate size, check the size of the oval. It should not be less than 1 inch. That's the perfect size of oval. Got it? Okay, so next among the lines and shapes are the broken lines. Broken lines are the lines. It's a very important, line, because this helps you in creating your sketch in a very fast movement. Like, did you notice when I draw the sketch in the first sheet, how quickly I have drawn it? Can you see that? That is why there are things that helped me to create this sketch in a better quick form. And among those quick forms, broken lines plays a very important role. Did you see how many brokes I took? How many gaps, how many jumps I took to complete this sketch? These are called broken lines. This helps me to jump. Like wherever I jump, this helps me to create a sketch quickly. So to practice broken lines, we have to create like whenever, if you try to draw broken lines like this, okay, so you have to pull your hand every time. But broken line is something you have to be continuous, like you have to be continuous like this. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So for this, you need to pick up your pencil like this and try to do it in a quick form. You don't have to be slow because jumps are always faster than your walk. So forward, backward, forward, backward. So if you are unable to pick up pencil like this and drew like this, so there is another option. Just rub your hand before a start. Whenever you're starting to prepare broken lines, just rub your hand first on your sheet so that it will not get sweaty and it will not stick to your sheet when you try to draw this. It will do like this. It will move easily when you want them to move like this. So another aspect, a very important aspect, is broken lines. This will help you to create your sketch in a very quick manner. So another topic is curved lines. Curved lines are this. You must have done this in your school. Like this. Whatever we do, it will move forward, then backward. It will not stop. Forward, then backward. This will again help you in extending your speed while sketching. It's a very easy technique, but yet it's difficult. You have to do it until you get pain in your wrist. That's the thing. That's the trickiest thing. Don't stop until you do it. Until it happens. Because if you're not doing it, it has to be very close. Very close. Very, very, very near. You don't have to like do it like this. No, that's a wrong thing. This is wrong. This is right. Curved lines. Okay? Okay, another topic in lines and shapes are zigzag lines. Now remember the curved lines, what we did? We did very smooth and quick curves like this. We were focusing on the curves we have to make, right? In broken lines, we were focusing on the gaps, quick gaps. Here we were very fast earlier. Now we have to be steady. We have to focus on points like this, zigzag points. We have to see all the points match. It has to be a very clean process. You have to be very, very sharp. And again, it will have to go front and back. The trick is same. Only thing is you have to focus on the points, the size and the gap. Next topic is horizontal lines. We all know what horizontal lines are. So horizontal lines, basically what we have to do is, in illustration we hardly use scale. So we have to draw a full page line like this without using scale. Can you see the gaps? I'm making equal gaps approximately and making it straight. So these are called horizontal lines. Okay, so now we are left with vertical lines, diagonal lines and checks. I have already mentioned that we don't use scale. So you have to practice a lot with your steady arm. You have to go straight. And I also tricked you with broken lines so you can broke and prepare a straight line. Broke. This will make you jump and prepare the whole line. You can clearly see the illusion. Though the line is being broken in between, but you can see the complete line. You hardly see the differences, the jumps in between. This will help you create a full line, no matter you've jumped. Next is diagonal line. And try to prepare vertical lines in a full page. Please don't draw it half, because this will make you learn, this will stop your exercise in between. Try to do it the full page. Whether you have a A4 size, whether you have a A3 size sheet, just prepare the full page sheet, full page line. Next is diagonal line. So we all know what diagonal is. Go for this. This is diagonal. We all know what diagonal is. Don't use scale. You can easily do this. Next is checks. Draw a straight line without using scale and prepare one line this. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, 7 line, 8 line. So this is how you have to create a check. These are around 8 types of lines and shapes. This will definitely help you, to create something very nice in near future. And I will see you in with my next topic, which will help you to prepare a figure. By the time to get this thing done, you have to exercise 1 page each topic of lines and shapes.